The best approach is walking a mile in our stakeholders' shoes. We think we know what's bothering them, we think we know what they expect, but we never take the time to actually ask them and understand the root cause. Hands down, it's service experience. Fundamentally, GBS organizations are responsible for two things: exquisite delivery and helping our stakeholders adopt and embrace new ways of working, and experience is key to that. When I add it all up together, it's very clear to me that GBS, or shared services, design, implementation, and operation is highly contextual to business conditions. I think we've pivoted now from transactions to capabilities. The GBS organizations that do well are developing strong capabilities that not only fuel GBS success, but also fuel the success of the enterprise. As GBS organizations push for evolution, I think we'll see new business models, but the emphasis and the core will be on very, very strong enabling capabilities.